Hello, welcome back. Yeah, today this is kind of a wrap up from something I wanted to do a few weeks ago when we did all the steering upgrades. And what I wanted to do is fit this Moto-Lita boss to fit with my old school Moto-Lita steering wheel. There we go. Which is a bit of a period item. It's not much smaller than what I've already got, so it's not going to change the feel too much, but gives it that little bit of a racer look. To fit it though, I had to get the right boss, so Moto-Lita have made this up for me. It should now fit this one. I'm going to check it first, make sure it does fit before I proceed any further, because what I don't want to do is build it all up onto the steering wheel and then find out that it doesn't actually fit the steering column. So we're going to loosen this up a little bit. There we go. It's a bit fresh today. Right, so there we go. That's the old steering wheel. So all being well, this boss should fit that like it does. Perfect. So what I need to do next is actually assemble this wheel onto this hub. I might do that in situ actually, see if we can get away with that. I've got a few little bits and bobs to go with it. There is a top ring. Now where's the top ring gone? Ah, well done. I've lost that somewhere. Right, hold fire. Let's find that. And not grab the steering wheel while trying to get in and out. Whoops. Right, anyway, so we've got the steering wheel, the hub, and we've got the retaining ring. All should line up nicely. Looks like it does. And then we've got a centre cap. I've actually ordered black anodised fittings rather than polished ones, just to give a little bit of contrast there more than anything. But yeah, black anodised screws and fittings. He says it all lines up nicely. Oh, there we go. What else do they come with? Oh, this is going to take some time. I'm going to go do this on the workbench. Be right back. So I am totally out of space in this workshop at the moment. Right, let's get this bit built up. And we are back in the room. We've built it up. I'm not sure how clear it is. We're going to drop it on. It's multi-spline on these. You can take them off and move them if you need to. So I'm not too fussed about where it's going now, because we still got to get the car tracked up. So long as it's somewhere near central, and I can change that. Hopefully it fits fully flush and with the normal, with no modifications needed. What I'll do is we'll knit this up. It's looking cool already. Still got clearance. I specifically went for a dish steering wheel. Ooh, look at that little cafe racer. And we've also got a blanking cap for the centre. It should just pop in. Should, he says. Oh, look at that. We're on to a winner. And then to cap it all off, got the Moto-Lita badge, which I'll probably put on in the wrong place. But it looks like we can just move the middle bit anyway, so worst case. Can't even get the bloody sticky bit off now. It's quite cold in here. Well, this is taking longer than it should. Line that up. Badly. Line that up, Aid. Very, very badly. There we go. Oh yeah. Cafe racer. Now look at that. That's good. Still to get to everything. Yeah, great. Yeah, check that out. Yeah, so very happy with that. That was the thing I wanted to do over Christmas, and I got that wrapped up so I can get the tracking done, get the car aligned, and yeah, small little update for the car. Still got plenty to do on it. Still got a very messy garage, still got the Christmas decorations out, but yeah, still got plenty to do on there. Hopefully the next video should be converting it to electronic ignition. Fingers crossed with that. Still waiting on some bits and bobs to turn up to get that done, but that should add an element of reliability and hopefully a little bit more performance as well. I am very, very, very tempted to fit a racy cam at the same time, but I need to look into that a bit more. But other than that, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.